Treasure Coast International Airport, uninterrupted power isn't just a convenience, it's a necessity. That's why Gallie Electric's airfield systems team delivered a complete backup power upgrade to support critical airport operations. We installed new standby generators with sub-base fuel tanks at the terminal building, airfield lighting vault, and the airport beacon. Each system was equipped with load bank receptacles and quick connects, allowing for rapid response in emergency situations. Our scope also included manual and automatic transfer switches, low-voltage power cabling, grounding, conduit systems, and underground duct banks, ensuring both performance and resilience. To further protect the infrastructure, we installed a full lightning protection system and clearly labeled all equipment for safety and ease of operation. Before turning the systems over, our team conducted a detailed power systems study and arc flash analysis, followed by rigorous testing and demonstration, meeting all FAA and project specifications. This project reflects Gallie Electric's commitment to precision, safety, and reliability in every mission-critical environment we serve. The Gallie Electric Airfield Systems Department, formerly known as NAVAIDS, delivers precision electrical solutions for military, commercial, and municipal airports nationwide. From runway lighting repairs and generator replacements to aircraft arresting systems and advanced electrical upgrades, our team ensures airfields operate safely, efficiently, and to the highest FAA and Department of Defense standards.